Okay, today's video, I'm here in my lab doing some repairs of different kind of things, and it came to this test. I purchased a mini video, composite video to VGA adapter. As you can see, it has video and audio inputs. On this other side, it's got power input and 180p or 720p of resolution. We're gonna see how the difference between the normal video output on this test. Let's see, color, widescreen, purple, blue. I think I'm gonna shut off this backlight. One moment. Okay, I'm gonna continue here. Okay. I'm gonna do violet. 3 is blue. 4, 5 is green. 6 is white. 7 focus pattern. 8 linearity. It's like white with purple squares, and 9 is pincushion pattern. Okay, so now I'm gonna plug the VGA adapter. Okay, right now I just plug in the VGA adapter and the quality is really good, to tell you the truth. It's not bad at all. So let's do some test here. Okay, there's the color chart. It's very similar to the composite video chart. Let's do the violet. It's violet. Here looks like more like blue or something. Blue now. That's blue. 4 orange. 5 green. 6 white. 7 it's very sharp, to tell you the truth. Focus linearity 8. 9 piece cushion. And then there is a switch between either 720 or 1084, and the thing, it looks very similar, no difference whatsoever here. 720, 1080. Well, that's all for this video, I think. Just to show you this video to RGB converter, that it looks very good though. Okay, another test that I wanted to do is to check, see how the 80 columns work on this video to VGA adapter. Okay, now we're here at 40 columns. Okay, as you can see, this is normal composite video and it's looking good. Now I'm gonna switch over to PR number 3. Now we're back on RGB. Okay, as you can see, it looks very sharp. It's crisp and clear. So this adapter looks really good on a VGA output conversion. So thumbs up for this. It's cheap and it works okay. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. And this is the adapter. It's got video, audio input on one side, VGA output on the other side with the audio output. And here you can switch between 720p or 1080p. For me, on the CRT, it looks the same. Either way, it looks very good. Nothing else to it. And this is the video to VGA converter. I purchased this on AliExpress for like €4, so it's very cheap and it works.